Hi guys, it's Ray. I'm just popping in quick. You've already seen the cups I'm going to show you, but I am closing in on getting monetized on my other channel. It's going slow because I really haven't been posting all that much there, but I am going to do a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers over there, and I'm going to include in that giveaway one of the reading tumblers that you've seen me making. So I thought it might be fun if I let you guys pick your favorite of the three that are made right now, because I'm going to switch gears to a couple of the sub boxes and some other stuff. Like I'm good with the 3 reading tumblers. So I thought it would be fun to let you guys by like a vote in the comment section. Let me know which of the 3 is your favorite, and the one that is favorited the most is going to be the one I set aside for that giveaway when the time comes. So the first one was the Geode Peekaboo with just the girl, no text. The bottom's got the little bit on it. So this one's a 30-ounce skinny straight. So that is number 1. Number 2 was the Just One More Chapter with the teal V-split and this vinyl. That's the bottom. So this one is number 2. And then number 3 is the Glitter Ombre One More Chapter. And this vinyl on the back half. And that's the bottom. So 3, 2, and 1. Just drop a comment. Let me know which one's your favorites. Whichever one has the most votes, I'll give it like, I'm not ready to ship this out or anything yet, so it doesn't matter. We've got some time, but when I get closer, I'll probably go for like a week, and then I'll tally it up, and that one will get set aside because I am going to be prepping for a sale, hopefully sometime in April, and I'll want to be able to put the other one into the sale. So drop a comment, let me know which one's your favorite, and we'll see which one's going to go into the giveaway for the other channel. So that's it. That was all I had to say today. I am working. I do have like 7 vinyl and decal pairings ready to go. I'm going to do a couple of alcohol ink cups. I've got some things in mind, and I did get some new epoxy in that just came in today. So I have something that I know is currently working, because we've been really, really humid, and most of my epoxies just aren't having the humidity right now. Plus we're in that between spring and winter, so it's kind of hard climate control wise right now. So I am struggling a little bit to work on cups, plus trying to get outside and spray paint when it's either raining or snowing. But yeah, I do have some other projects in the works. But yeah, so that was it. Let me know 1, 2, or 3, and I will have those numbers on the screen back when I put the cups up, just to make it easier for you to remember, me to remember. So that is it. I will see you soon.